It got to the point where it just hurt all the time. The last time I had a day where I went all day with no pain was 5 years ago. My name is Janet Scratchley, and in the past year I've had a gastric sleeve surgery and hip replacement surgery at RWJUH University Hospital in New Brunswick. I was in pain all the time and just miserable. I went to a doctor to talk about my hip, and he said, okay, but yes, you need to do your hip replaced. It's really bad, but you need to lose some weight first. And that was why I had the gastric sleeve. And so I ended up losing about between 80 and 90 pounds before that surgery, before the hip surgery. When I met Dr. Sadek, I was like, this is the right thing to do. It was totally life-changing. It sounds dramatic, but it was. I was diabetic, and the last time I took any medication was the day before I had the surgery. And I just had blood work done a month or so ago, and I'm not even in the pre-diabetic range. I'm completely in the normal range. It's like magic. I had a wonderful experience when I had the sleeve surgery, and I've been to other hospitals before, and it's fine, no complaints, but I was like, I want to go back to Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital because it was such a positive experience. About 5 months after the gastric sleeve surgery, I met with Dr. Harwood, and he was like, it's a go, and so we went ahead and did the hip replacement. I came out of surgery, and that afternoon I was like, woohoo! I felt better like that day. Everything is so much better. I feel so much better. I just felt like everyone that I dealt with, everyone, was wonderful, was so caring and helpful and just wonderful.
RWJBarnabas Health. Let's be healthy together.